Hi, today I'm for Galaxy A54 5G and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should first open the notification panel shortcuts and find the scan QR code icon. Just tap once on the icon and now we should place our QR code here into this frame. So let's do this. Just wait a second and now we can see here this link, so we can copy this link to share with someone or to open it just directly in the browser. So we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with the our Galaxy device help. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.